Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, specifically designed for professionals who demand precision and quality in their prints. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the HP DesignJet T630 large format 24-inch plotter printer. This powerhouse of a printer is a game-changer for architects, engineers, and construction professionals who need to produce technical line drawings, renders, posters, and maps with precise, accurate line quality and crisp text. One of the key features that really caught my attention is the versatility in media sizes it can handle. With the ability to print up to 24-inch wide media rolls and up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets using the included automatic sheet feeder accessory, this printer offers the flexibility you need for a wide range of projects. Imagine being able to print detailed architectural plans, large-scale maps, or vibrant posters with ease, all from the same device. The automatic sheet feeder is especially useful for printing multiple smaller sheets efficiently, saving you time and effort in the long run. Another feature that truly enhances the user experience is the advanced media handling capabilities. The HP DesignJet T630 offers sheet feed, roll feed, automatic sheet/roll switch, a convenient media bin, and an automatic horizontal cutter. This means you can easily switch between different types of media without having to manually adjust settings or worry about the printer getting jammed. The media bin is particularly useful for keeping your workspace organized, as it can hold printed sheets and rolls, keeping them tidy and within reach. Plus, the automatic horizontal cutter ensures that your prints are neatly cut to size, eliminating the need for manual trimming. Connectivity is also seamless with the HP DesignJet T630, thanks to its comprehensive set of options including Gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 802.11b/G/N. This means you can easily integrate the printer into your existing network, whether you prefer wired or wireless connections. The Wi-Fi connectivity is especially convenient for shared workspaces, allowing multiple users to print from their devices without the clutter of cables. Plus, with the HP Click software, you can simplify your printing workflow significantly. This intuitive software allows you to save time, ink, and paper waste by enabling features like PDF error checking, alerts, and auto-nesting. You can predefine your print settings and easily print files by simply dragging and dropping them, making the whole process incredibly efficient. The HP Click software is integrated with your workflow, allowing you to print directly from your design and common CAD applications. This level of integration is a huge time saver, as it eliminates the need to export files to a separate printing application. With the ability to print files in various formats including PDF, JPEG, TIFF, DWF, HPGL/2, and PNG, you have the flexibility to work with the file types that suit your projects best. The software also helps in reducing errors and misprints, thanks to its robust checks and balances, ensuring that your prints come out as intended every time. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T630 large format 24-inch plotter printer is an incredible tool for any professional looking to elevate the quality and efficiency of their printing. With its robust features, user-friendly interface, and seamless connectivity, it's an investment that will pay off in the long run. Whether you're working on detailed architectural plans, vibrant graphic designs, or large-scale maps, this printer delivers. So, if you're in the market for a high-quality, reliable, and versatile large-format printer, I highly recommend giving the HP DesignJet T630 a closer look. Find the link in the description below to learn more and explore how it can transform your printing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights.